Hey you guys, welcome back to Digi Styles. This video is pretty much just giving you the two different measurements for the Gatorade bottle. It's going to be for this one right here is for the small 12 ounce, and I done tore the label off of the big one, but this one is for I guess the medium size one, because there's also one that's larger than that. So for the smaller one, let me click on it, go to format. Okay, the measurements for that one is 2.75 in height, and the width is 8.5. So you would have to do your paper, the landscape of your paper, in the opposite direction of, your water bottle labels. And then for the larger one, it's pretty much like impossible to make a label that goes completely around to cover it if you're just using regular printer paper, because the measurements is pretty much longer than the paper to wrap all the way around. But this template right here would go on the front of it, and it looks just fine, covering pretty much just the front. And the measurements for that is 3.55 in height, and the width is 5 inches even. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.